Hey everyone, so there was a Next.js exploit recently which happened. You might have heard about it, but that has led to a feud between Next.js CEO Vercel as well as the Cloudflare CEO, I guess. Let's go through it. So this is the exploit which they are talking about. So Next.js version 15.2.3 has been released to address a security vulnerability. Additionally, backported patches are available. We recommend that all self-hosted Next.js deployment using Next.start and output standalone should update immediately. Continue reading for more details on the CEV. So yeah, on I think 27th Feb it was disclosure to Next.js team via GitHub private vulnerability reporting. Then Next.js team on the 14th of March, so they took some time to start triaging the report. Then they patched push for Next.js 15 on 14th. On 14th they patched push for Next.js 14 as well. Then 17th Next.js 14.2.25 was released, which addressed this concern. Same for 15 as well on 18th of March. Then this issued by GitHub, then security advisory published. Then they also addressed it for Next.js 13 as well as 12. Then vulnerability details. Next.js uses an internal header X middleware subrequest to prevent recursive requests from triggering infinite loops. The security report showed it was possible to skip running middleware, which could allow requests to skip critical checks such as authorization, cookie validation before reaching routes. Impact scope affected self-hosted Next.js application using middleware Next.start with output standalone. This affects you if you rely on middleware for auth or security checks, which are not then validated later in your application. Application using Cloudflare can turn on manage WAF rule. Not affected application hosted on Vercel, application hosted on Netlify, and application deployed as static exports. Middleware not executed. So yeah, if you're not using middleware, you don't have to worry. Then but it's better to update it if possible. So for patch version, whatever version you are using, so you can find the relevant version over here. If patching to a safe version is infeasible, it is recommended that you prevent external user requests which contain the X middleware sub request header from reaching your Next.js application. Our security responsibility. Next.js has published 16 security advisory since 2016. Over time, we have continued to improve how we gather, patch, and disclose vulnerabilities. GitHub security advisories and CVEs are industry standard approaches to notifying users, vendors, and companies of vulnerability in software. While we published a CEV, we missed the mark on partner communications. To help us more proactively work with partners depending on Next.js and other infrastructure providers, we are opening up partner mailing list. Please reach out to partners at nextjs.org to be included. Now I think they did a decent job of patching it, but I think once Twitter there was some drama, I guess. So I think Matthew Prince, who is the CEO of Cloudflare, he just mentioned that save money, get better performance, and work with a company that actually cares about security. To which if you go over here, to which Guillermo Rauch, who is the CEO of Vercel, replied saying Cloudflare is responsible for one of the worst security disasters in internet history. We tried to use your product and had non-stop incidents and had to move off. We mitigated a DDoS attacks your proxy to us daily. You are slow. Despite your constant cheap shots, we are engaging with your team for better collaboration in the future. We want a secure web. So and then to which the Matthew Prince replied with this particular meme, I guess, where Vercel is holding all the users and punching them. Which to me seemed like in a bad taste. And yeah, and I think there are a lot of other users who are also most like there are reply from other users as well. So if you want, you can continue going to this thread, which I will add it in the description. So yeah, that's what this security vulnerability is all about. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.